Greetings. Welcome to Cooking with Cindy. I'm Cindy Lorimer, and we are doing a Thanksgiving special continuation. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my cranberry sauce that I've been using now for well over 10 years. I've not used any other cranberry sauce for my Thanksgiving dinner. And this is a recipe that I found from Martha Stewart so many years ago. Interestingly enough, I've been using this every single year. Every year I go online and I find it. For some reason this year, that recipe of hers completely disappeared. Because it's Martha Stewart's Cranberry Grape Compote. I've searched that, and then now she's updated the recipe and has now removed the grapes from it, and it's just cranberry sauce with orange juice. What happened? If you're making cranberry sauce and it's not Thanksgiving yet or it's not Easter yet, you'll find these cranberry bags in the freezer. This just happens to be a very big bag. I'm going to use half of this because a regular size bag of cranberries is really 12 ounces. This is 2 pounds. I don't need 2 pounds. I'm only going to use half. Red grapes, right? We're going to use red grapes. What I love about this is it gives it a nice pop. Okay, so I'm going to juice an orange. This is quite a big orange, but it's okay. And then what I forgot to do is you actually have to do the zest before you juice it. So I haven't juiced this one yet, so I'm going to do the zest of this. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of the zest. And let's grab our stuff over here. Then you add your red grapes, the orange juice, sugar, and then 1 cup of water. So pour that in, give it a stir. And then I would just stir it every so often so then it doesn't stick at the bottom. And then you'll basically bring this to a boil. So I'm going to put it on high now. And now we wait. I almost forgot my orange zest. This is why I always prep all of the ingredients beforehand from the recipe. I recommend you do the same because most often than not, when you are following or when one is following a recipe, guarantee, even myself, guarantee you will forget something. There are so many times that I have, I'm doing a recipe, even my own recipe, right? I can't remember all of them. And then I'm like, why is that butter sitting there? And I'm like, oh shit, forgot to put the butter in the recipe. So it's so important, and this is why I prep everything beforehand. So let's add this in here. So add that. It smells like Thanksgiving. It smells like Christmas. It just smells like family. Warm and cozy, right? And then you're going to want to cook this until the cranberries pop, right? And the grapes, obviously they won't pop. Then if you follow me along in my cooking tutorials and my cooking videos, you always see that I'm always skimming the scum, which is basically the foam on top. So you see this here, we're going to do the same. Okay, that looks like it's pretty much ready. So that's my cranberry grape sauce. I hope you make it, and I hope you include it for your Thanksgiving menu. Bye.